Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today, we are going to do our last Power Apps video on Power Apps portals. However, a couple days ago, Microsoft has now informed us that this has now become Power Pages. So why not do a quick review on what is Power Pages? If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description. If I go to powerpages.com right here, you can see that you are able to try Power Pages for free right now. So I'm going to click that button, and I can see that I can try Power Pages for free for 30 days. So I'm going to enter my email and check the box here and start my free trial. And you'll also be prompted to enter your phone number. So just go ahead and do that. And then you will see that Power Pages will launch. So what exactly is Power Pages? Well, if you've ever used WordPress before, it's very similar. It's a whole web system that you can use to create low-code websites where those sites will be hosted for you instead of you having to host the website separately. And also, you can use integrated security, whether it's security on your own website or logins from other websites that you might be using. And I'm sure you've seen this before when you've gone to a page and it's like, do you want to use your Facebook login or your Google login? So you're able to validate other logins from other platforms. So I'm just going to hit the Getting Started button right here. And I'm going to be asked a few new questions. First of all, do I have any experience creating websites? I'm just going to select the middle option because I have created a website before. Next, I'm going to be asked what I want my site to do. And I'm going to be given a bunch of different templates that I could use for the website that I wish to design. So for today, I'm just going to go with this one right here, the After School Program Registration. And I'm going to choose this template. Then I'm going to be prompted to give my site a name. Let's say I'm just going to call this the My Excel Online After School Tutoring. And then down here, I can create a web address. So let's just call it MEO Tutoring. And then I'm going to hit Done. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And that takes a few minutes, but after that, you can see that Power Pages has created my template and is getting my site ready for me to be able to edit. So after a few minutes, your site will be built, and then you can scroll down here and go to Edit. And you'll be able to customize the new site that Power Pages just made for you. So over here, you can see the pages that have been created by default for your website. And you also have a preview button up here, where if you click that, you could just hit Desktop. And then you can get an idea of what your website is actually going to look like. So you can see that some events have already been set up for after-school programs, so we could add one of ours here. Or we could have several different after-school events. Maybe we have one for teachers, one for students who are taking honors courses, one for the school IT department, etc. And see the sign-in button here? This is what allows you to track people's credentials throughout your website. Okay, so if I go back here to Design Studio, I can also go to Data, and this is where I can see the behind-the-scenes information of who signed up on my website, as well as their account information. I can also hit Course Information and see what courses I'm offering, and I can also see registrations. But right now, no one's registered on my site yet. I can also go to the Stylings tab and apply different styles throughout my website. But if I go back to Pages and I select the Courses page, this is where I can start editing information about my courses. If I want to edit the home page, I just select the home page and I can edit there. And a lot of it is editing information just straight up from the page, but you can also edit code right here by going to Edit Code. And you'll be able to edit this in Visual Studio. And also, if you go over here to these three dots, you can see that you can add a flow. So you can have some automated tasks, just like we learned about in our Power Automation series. So I just want to give you a quick overview of what Power Pages is and the fact that this tool exists out there. and that you could be using it to build your website and also keep track of login information and specific information for users who are on your site. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.